Hello friends and my dear students. Now today I am here presenting you a course Organic Chemistry Simplified Part 1. Now before introducing to the course, let me introduce myself to you. I am Bharti Gupta. I have done MSc in Chemistry with NEET JRF and I have mentored students for various competitive exams like IIT JEE, NEET, Olympiads and various other exams since 15 years. I will be more than happy if I can help you in attaining your goal in any way. Now, I am presenting to you this course so that your basic knowledge about organic chemistry may be improved. We are going to start our journey of organic chemistry through this course, which I have named Organic Chemistry Simplified Part 1. Now, as the name indicates, it is Organic Chemistry Simplified, means I have put my best efforts to make the course very simple so that a beginner, a person who is just starting to learn organic chemistry may learn it very nicely. It is made for beginners to advanced level, means you can attempt all type of competitive exams in which you have organic chemistry as a subject, and this course will help you make your concepts, basic concepts of the subject very strong. So in this course, what I will be presenting to you, as I told you, I am starting from the beginning. It is from beginning till advanced level. So the first thing that you will be learning in this course is what is organic chemistry. Means I am starting from very beginning. Why we are going to learn this course? What is organic chemistry? Why such subject is framed? Then we will learn to represent organic molecules. Means for learning of organic chemistry there must be molecules. What representations for organic molecules? Then we will be learning what are saturated and unsaturated compounds. And then we will move to identification of functional groups. What is a functional group? And then we will learn how to identify different type of functional groups present in a compound. You will learn how to identify hydrocarbon. You will learn how to identify halogen containing compounds. You will learn to identify functional groups containing carbon-oxygen single bond, functional groups containing carbon-oxygen double bond. You will learn to identify functional groups with nitrogen and so on. And then we will move to identification of degree of carbon and hydrogen. You will learn identification of chemically different hydrogen. You will learn what is degree of unsaturation in this course. Degree of unsaturation is a very important concept which will be very much important when you will go for isomerism or any type of question in which you move from molecular formula to structural formula. Then you will learn how to identify hybridization of atoms in organic molecules. I make sure that you will be able to classify organic compounds into various classes. You will learn what are homologues and you will be able to identify the homologues. These all things I have made in a section called Basic Understanding of Organic Chemistry. And then in the next section, you will be learning about IUPAC Nomenclature, the very initial topic of organic chemistry, IUPAC Nomenclature. So you are going to learn organic chemistry. For that you must have an introduction with the compounds. You must be able to identify what compound is. You must know how to write their names so that you may learn them. You may attempt the question in which the question is given with the help of names. So you must be very much sure how to name organic compounds. I will tell you the basic rules of nomenclature. Basic rules of nomenclature to name the organic compounds. And then we will learn the nomenclature in different steps. Means first you will learn the nomenclature of compounds which do not have any functional group or multiple bond or ring. Then you will learn step by step. Gradually you will see what are the differences done, what are the additional things which are doing when certain multiple bond appears in the compound. So we will learn the nomenclature of multiple bond containing compounds. Then we will learn nomenclature of cyclic compounds. You will be also learning nomenclature of compounds having functional groups. And then we will learn nomenclature of polyfunctional compounds, means the compounds having more than one functional group. We will learn how to write some functional groups, when to write them in the form of suffix and when we have to write those functional groups in the form of prefixes. We will learn how to name spirocyclic and bicyclic compounds and many more things. And again, it is very much important to analyze your concept of nomenclature and basic understanding. Means what you have learned through this course, you have to test that knowledge. So then I have made many videos with question solving, and for that I will advise you to solve the questions yourself. First see the questions, solve the questions yourself, and then go through the video to analyze whether you have done it correctly or incorrectly. And by this, I think your cycle of knowledge will be completed, and additionally I will be also giving you some questions which you may solve after learning the concept, seeing the questions, how to attempt the questions, and then you will be able to solve the questions yourself. So I have put my all effort to make this course so that your knowledge of organic chemistry should flourish and you will not have to fear with organic chemistry. All the best. Enjoy the videos.